Hi guys! Welcome to Airforce City Park. The Clark Freeport and Special Economic Zone refers to an area spanning the city of Angeles in the provinces of Pampanga and Tarlac. The Clark area in Pampanga covers the cities of Angeles and Mabalacat in the town of Porac, while parts of the area in Tarlac include the towns of Capas and Bamban Tarlac. The Clark Freeport and Special Economic Zone divided into two areas, the Clark Freeport Zone and the Clark Special Economic Zone. The new Clark City is part of the Clark Special Economic Zone. The CFZ covers the area of the former United States Air Force facility, Clark Air Base. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Poel.D. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa may Clark City, sa kanilang park. Sa Airforce City pala, not Clark. Ayun, sa likod ko. Mamaya guys, puntahan natin yun. So ngayon, nandito kay Kuya. Magtatanong kay Kuya. Kuya, anong binibentang Kuya?
Yung mga flute, native flute, mga panga.
Pag pumunta kasi kayo dito guys sa Airforce City, meron ka makikita ganito. Kaya ni Kuya nagtitinda ng mga ganito. Ayan. Ayan.
And this whistle bird.
Yun guys, si Tatay ay isang katutubo si Tatay dito sa Pampanga, katutubong Aita. So ito yung kanilang hanap buhay rito. Kaya pag pumunta kayo dito guys, pwede kayong bumili kay Tatay. Tatay, mga magkano mga ganito po yung pana?
100 yung sir.
100 po yung pana. Meron na siyang kasamang ito, sibat? Ay, sibat ba to?
Oo, yung bala.
Bala. At saka ito,
Yan po yung flute. Yung flute.
ito po yung unique flute.
70
pesos guys. Oh, di ba may sample si Tatay kaya mapapabili kayo rito guys. So ito naman,
mga whistle bird po.
whistle. So magkano ganito Tatay?
Oo, 65.
Ito 65 yung whistle at saka ito 70. So ngayon guys, bibili tayo kasi itatry natin doon mamaya sa bahay. Ito kasi may kasama naman siya guys na may kasama naman siya guys na parang ano nito.
Yung parang ano niya code.
May cord siyang kasama. Ayan, may kasama, ay may pangalan na Aitas Flute Chart. So sila mismo na gumagawa nito guys.
Nandun yung awit siya sa loob na. Yung
Awit ng
mga kagayang Titanic. So nandiyan lahat.
may mga kasama ng lyrics at iPods. Meron, may susundan ka na kung paano gamitin to. So ito lang guys yung kanilang hanap buhay. So pag nakapunta kayo rito sa loob ng Clark, lalo na dito sa Airforce City, pwede yung hanapin nyo lang si Tatay. Nandito lagi yan. Si Tatay Jesus. O, nandito si Tatay Jesus, di ba? So nandito lang lagi yan. So pag pumunta kayo guys pakiusap ko, bumili kayo kay Tatay. Malaking tulong na rin po sa kanila to. So may bibili ako sa ganito.
Okay. Yung natin yung Koreano ay Chinese yan, bumili sila. Dito may bahay sila bumili doon. Ito din kami siyang gusto yan.
Oo, isang ganito. At saka yung whistle bird pala yun. Ito pala flute.
Flute nila, whistle bird siya.
Ito yung flute.
Ito siya. Dito siya, hanggang yung tinatulong siya dito pag kinain mo lang paikot.
So nandito yung
sa
bibig. Ito yung flute at saka ito yung whistle bird. Okay? Itatry natin yung whistle bird. Ay, ganito siya.
Ano siya, pinapasukan mo ng tubig hanggang dyan.
Kailangan may
Oh,
tubig.
sir.
So kailangan pala guys, ito may tubig hanggang dito lang din para tutunog siya. So wala tayong tubig ngayon. So mamaya pag may tubig na tayo sa akin try.
Yung mula pakapuno sir, huwag mo lang pakapuno hanggang diyan lang. Yan, hanggang diyan lang kaya.
Opo, may label lang siya hanggang
Oh,
dito.
label lang.
So hanggang dito lang din yung tubig niya.
May stock ka.
Oo, tapos
Yan
ito,
lang, walang tubig.
ito maganda to yung float lang. Ganon lang tayo mamaya guys. So, magkano lahat tayo?
Ano lang yun sir, 50 na lang.
May tawad tayo kay tatay, 50 na lang.
50 na lang. 50 na tayo.
50 at saka
70 sir. Ano na lang, hindi mo na ako 110. Ay, sandal na lang. Ang may tawad mo. Ito, salamat po. Ayun, kasi.
yan. Thank you po. Bye-bye muna tayo. So, thank you tatay.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Okay, bye-bye guys. See you. Dito iikot tayo guys. Tutur ko kayo dito sa mga anong tawag dyan, yung mga ginamit nung World War II.
Mga aeroplano.
O mga aeroplano, helicopter. So, itutur namin kayo guys. So,
Yung ginamit na yun.
see you. Abang guys. The UH-1H, nicknamed UA, was extensively used during the Vietnam War by the Americans and proved its invaluable service for air mobility and rapid deployment of troops. The Philippine Air Force received 75 UAs from the U.S. government under the RPUS Military Assistance Program and continues to acquire and use these helicopters primarily for tactical troop transport, frontline casualty evacuation, resupply, and troop extraction. The first UA was delivered to the Philippine Air Force in 1969 and is still in service due to its rugged design and low maintainability. The Votive 8 Crusader was delivered to the Philippines in 1978. This carrier-based fighter has variable incidence wings, all-weather radar, autopilot, and sophisticated weapons delivery system. This was used by the 5th Fighter Wing for air defense, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. It can be equipped with various weapons such as air-to-air missiles, rockets, 20mm cannons, M60 machine guns, and 500-pound bombs. In August 1965, F-5A jet fighter, this needle-nosed jet, which was popularly called Freedom Fighter, arrived in the Philippines. This aircraft was assigned to the 5th Fighter Wing in Basa Air Base, Pampanga, and was also used by the Blue Diamonds in aerial demonstrations during significant national AFP and PAF celebrations. In 1960, 15 T-28 Tora were delivered to the 100 Training Wing for use of cadet pilots in basic training. Later, in 1975, it was used by the 15th Strike Wing against secessionists and insurgents. It was commonly called Tora because it resembled the Japanese Zero Fighter of the Second World War. The Tora became famous during the August 1987 and December 1989 COP attempts. It bid farewell and was last flown over Villamore Air Base in July 1992 during the 45th PAF anniversary. So yun guys, na-tour ko na kayo dito sa loob ng Clark Freeport Zone dito sa Angeles City sa Pampanga. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's me again, Poel D. Bye-bye! To God be the highest glory guys. Bye-bye!